Hey all, so I hope you all are doing well. So I am here with another topic, three things which I can't live without it. Frankly speaking, first of all, we have to make a habit that never addict about of anything. But if something is that, if I'm talking about the environmental basis, so there is a three things which I can't live without them, like air, water, and in one greenery plants. So without them I couldn't survive it. This is a scientific reason, as we all know that human body is made up of all the five elements. So these are the things which I can't live without it. If I and I'm not a kind of person who always rely on the materialistic things. I respect all those things because this is all help us to make our life really easy. That facility give you a privilege to enjoy everything, but that give you another harmful effect, that if you are become addicted about all those things, so you are make yourself far away from the real beauty of the nature. You are not feel comfortable when you go outside. So I am not a person who rely all those things, but yes, if you think that there is a three things which I can't live without it, so air, water, and the beauty of this soil, rain, these are the elements which give me a essence of live my life beautifully, healthy, because these are giving me energy of another level. And that's, I don't know it's happened with all or not, but it's happened with me. I really connected with the nature. I really uh, tree lovers, plants lover who love them. Even it's really not my hand to cultivate and propagate all these things, but yes, I respect and I always give a priority to these things, because this is a really important of our survival. And yes, if you go for the another things, that there is another thing, that's food. This is the essential thing which is required to energize yourself, and your body is the kind of machine who need a fuel, and that is come from your, all the nutrients will come from the fruits, vegetables, and wheat. All these things will be comes in this nature. It would be present by the plant. It would be, it is the reason, that's the reason I said without soil, without tree, I couldn't survive it. And without water, as without water, it is really next to impossible to survive in this planet. So for me these are really important things. Not for me, I think it is really essential for everyone. So we are all are trying to make our life happy, and do collect all the materialistic things in our home. But frankly speaking, if you think really calmly, sit in the place where you are able to think properly, then you realize these, without these you can leave it. Because during this lockdown period you realize your life will be not dependent on in all those such things. You have great things to do in your life. You can now survive without fridge water. You can survive now without all the junk food. You can rely, you made these habits because this is the things you find easily in your place. But now it was really a difficult task for you, but now you can find this way you can, you uh, see yourself that you cook a lot of things and healthy food. This help you to make your life healthy, because whatever you are cooking, you know you are using the good things at your items, and this would not harm you. So for me, this is really important things, but we all not, we just know, but we are not doing anything, because we are not planting plants, and we are not stopping the people who cut the plants and trees at your areas just because of their own wishes to come true, to fulfill it. But if we all think twicely and thrisely again and again, one day the day will come when we stop all these things and make our life still beautiful. Because if your environment is not healthy, you couldn't survive then. We all forget that this is a thing which we find, this is a good creature which we have by the God. But if we utilize, misused all these things, we are unable to save our existence. And one day will come, the day will not so far when we find that human existence will be impossible in this planet. And if you don't want to all these things, so respect and save your area plants, and save the use all, not use all those things which harm your weather, climate, or plants. And we all using such kind of the creams and lot of things which is really harm our environment. So this is in our hand to stop all these things. So as we nowadays everybody are saying that boycott all the Chinese things. So I am saying that please boycott all the things which is really harm our planet. As we are using a shaving cream and shave trimmers, there's a lot of products. Those are really harmful for our existence. If you want to survive a longer and want to see the is- human spirit is present in this planet, for that you have to do something, because this is, if we are not taking a step, nobody can take. And that if the people will think that we will do in the future, so might be possible you will not able to save your planet, you will not able to save the humans. Thank you.